viewers, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. February is around the corner, and as the month approaches, the frenzy of Valentine's Day envelops the air. Love is in the air. Valentine's Day is a 7-day celebration that leads up to the Valentine's Day, observed on February 14th every year. Begins with Rose Day. Valentine's Day, also called Saint Valentine Day, is celebrated annually on February 14th. Lovers express their affection with greetings and gifts. Nowadays, it has expanded to express affection between relatives and friends. People exchange cards, candy, and flowers. Let's welcome the 7 beautiful days of Valentine's week with open arms. First day of this week is Rose Day. It is celebrated on 7th February every year. This is the day when people express their innermost love and feelings to people you love by gifting rose to them. It conveys fragrance always remains in your heart. Roses of different colors imply different meanings. Do you know which color means what? We will break it down for you. Lavender rose. Lavender rose is used for love at first sight. If you fall in love at first sight, then you should pick it lavender rose. Yellow rose stands for friendship. The color is safe and can easily brighten up one's day. White rose is considered to be the color of innocence. It is used at the weddings or to mark a new beginnings. It is used for to say sorry. Last is the red, as everyone knows, is a sign of love. So if you are in love and want to express it, it is the right choice. Next day is Propose Day. It is celebrated on second day of Valentine's week, which falls on February 8. If you want to propose someone, this is the day. Gather the courage to speak your heart out to their love through a proposal. My life would be incomplete and meaningless if you were not my love. Happy Propose Day, darling. कुछ मीठा हो जाए. Third day, where you can express yourself through the best mode, chocolates. Gifting delicious chocolates coupled with a bouquet, card, or a ring make your partner happy. Personalized chocolates are the finest means of voicing your heart to your loved one. Day of the week is Teddy Day. It falls on 10th February. Who does not like teddy bears? Teddies are the cutest gift that you can give to your loved one. They can cuddle with it in your absence and make them miss you. You may not be able to hug me, but you can surely hug this teddy bear. So cute, this teddy bears. Next day is Promise Day, which falls on 11th Feb. Every relation works on promises. It is day beyond love. It is a day for commitments and responsibilities for years to come from now. So make promise to love each other for a lifetime. Support and motivate each other from this day onwards. Sixth day is Hug Day. It is on 12th February. After the gifts and promises, the time to hug your love and wrap your warmth around them. Go on and give warmest hug to your dearest ones. After all, a hug gives everyone a chance to express their sincere feelings. Jadoo ki Jhappi. The hug is the warmest and the purest form of expressing love without having to say thousands words. Seventh day of the week is Kiss Day, which falls on 13th Feb, one of the most awaited days to seal the deal. It is Kiss Day. Get ready to steal a kiss from the one you love on the seventh day of Valentine's week. Plant a kiss on their cheeks and forehead and show them the love and care that you carry around for them. Finally comes to an end with Valentine's Day on the 14th of Feb. Not only does this day mark a new beginning for the newly formed bonds over the week, but also strengthen the lifelong relationships. The season of love is arriving faster, so get ready to welcome it with love and only love. Thank you.